last but not least, of course, the coffee milk. So we combine it between fried banana and coffee milk. So yummy. Oh, bisa bisa. Iya kan? Uh, Mas, 10 10
Bis,
ya.
kenapa ya?
Hah?
Kenapa? Ini, ntar dulu, nggak enak.
Oke.
Ada ini juga. 6. Semakin 100.000 dia.
Ya. Ya. Tuh. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Madamita Jakarta. And today I will show you about kind of food, typical food from Indonesia. This is called fried banana. Fried banana. Specifically, it is from pisang tanduk. From pisang tanduk. Pisang tanduk. I don't know whether in your country you also have this kind of banana, but in Indonesia there are many kind of banana actually here. Pisang tanduk, pisang barangan, pisang raja, and many others. Pisang meaning banana, yeah. And in Indonesia, you can have fried banana for snacks. So you can have snacking fried banana and maybe combined with coffee milk. Yeah. So I will show you the fried banana, and this price is about 2,000 rupiah, and it's meaning about 0.15 US dollars. So actually we would like to buy about 10 pieces, but because the seller is full with order, so we just can have 7 pieces, but it's okay lah ya. We divided with Isa and Roro, and we will enjoy this fried banana, two for myself and the other two for my husband. Okay guys, I will show you how to eat it. Okay, this fried banana, the color is nice, yeah, golden brown here, yeah, it's golden brown. Okay, it's golden brown. Sweet, very nice, very sweet. There is a mixed taste here between uh, sweet, also a little bit acid, yeah, acidity, a little bit sour. I mean, a little bit sour, and yeah, the mix of the flour itself, yeah, the seasoning, it's very good. I like it. Maybe I need more, yeah. I need more. Actually, the other one I will waiting for. The other one just I won't just keep it until eating together with my husband, but I don't know. I like it very much, so maybe I will eat it later on. I don't know. Let's see. Mm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Madamita Jakarta, because you'll find out another inspiration, another information, another updates, another experience from Jakarta and from Indonesia. See you then. Thank you for watching. Bye. And you know, banana is full with vitamin, especially vitamin C. It's good also for your immune booster. Food.